yes YouTube, Jordan here. This is the introduction for my first POV video. Quite recently, I borrowed a camera from my friend to get out, practice a bit of photography. Decided I think I'm going to invest in my own cameras, so if anyone can suggest any good cameras for beginners, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm currently in the process of looking to buy myself a new camera. But anyway, this is a little trek that I went round for. It's called High Force Falls. Got some good captures, put my edits in there, so I hope you enjoy.
Get a picture for Instagram.